हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल माइंड पोर्टल। आज के इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे जो आपके अपकमिंग CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। In demographic segmentation, which of these factor is not considered? Option 1 age, option 2 income, option 3 interest, and option 4 gender. And the correct answer is option 3 interest. When a customer buy a product without logical thinking, his decision is option 1 emotional, option 2 rational, option 3 patronage, and option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 1 emotional. Charging low price from the introduction stage to gain growth in the market is option 1 premium, option 2 penetration, option 3 skimming, and option 4 rational pricing. And the correct answer is option 2 penetration. Which of the following is also called a supermarket? Option 1 self-service store, option 2 retail store, option 3 hypermarket, and option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 1 self-service store. What is the full form of MPR? Option 1 marketing public relations, option 2 monitoring public relations, option 3 management of public relation, and option 4 measurement of public relation. And the correct answer is option 1 marketing public relations. Who used the term meta marketing for the first time? Option 1 Flip Kotler, option 2 Eugene J. Kelly, option 3 Robert Kiyosaki, and option 4 none of the above. And the correct answer is option 2 Eugene J. Kelly. Which of the following is the best distributions channel for vacuum cleaners? Option 1 telemarketing, option 2 retail storage, option 3 direct marketing, and option 4 all of the above. And the correct answer is option 3 direct marketing. E-marketing is a part of which of the following? Option 1 e-payment, option 2 e-commerce, option 3 email marketing, and option 4 traditional marketing. And the correct answer is option 2 e-commerce. Achieving strategic marketing objectives using marketing plans and strategies is called option 1 target achievement, option 2 marketing implementation, option 3 market penetration, and option 4 goal setting. And the correct answer is option 2 marketing implementation. Using a successful brand name to launch a new product in a different category is called option 1 line extension, option 2 brand expansion, option 3 brand extension, and option 4 branding. And the correct answer is option 3 brand extension. माइंड पोर्टल ऐप पे CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम के लिए टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अवेलेबल है। टेस्ट सीरीज और ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए हैं। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप टेस्ट सीरीज और क्लासेस परचेस कर सकते हैं। माइंड पोर्टल के एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन ग्रुप को ज्वाइन करने के लिए नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे मैसेज करें। इस तरह के और क्यूज वीडियो के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।